6 real ways to make money online. Making money online provides flexibility and variety, perfect for college students, parents, working professionals, retirees, and really anyone. So if you're wondering how to make money online, you're in the right spot. Here are 6 ways to make money online. 1. Earn money by playing games. Did you know you can earn money by playing games on your phone? KashKick is a free get-paid-to platform that pays members when they complete tasks, like leveling up in a game or completing a milestone. Just sign up for KashKick and find a game you want to play. You will see exactly which steps you need to complete to earn rewards. Different games offer different rewards. New games are constantly getting added, so you'll never get bored. Once you earn $10, you can cash out via PayPal or for a gift card. KashKick is totally free to use, and millions of members have received payouts. 2. Launch an affiliate marketing business. Affiliate marketing is when a creator makes a commission when you click through an affiliate link and make a purchase. Affiliate marketing is for anyone with an audience, like Instagram followers or newsletter subscribers, and it's a popular way to make money online. One of the most well-known affiliate programs is through Amazon. 3. Become an Instagram influencer. It seems like everyone wants to become an Instagram influencer these days. That's because it can be a lucrative way to make money online, especially if you've carved out a niche and have a decent following. No specific credentials or degrees are required, but it does help to be an online person who's tapped into the latest trends, as well as a decent writer, photographer, and/or videographer. 4. Participate in paid surveys. Penny for your thoughts? With online surveys, you can get paid to answer questions about your lifestyle and opinions. KashKick is a great rewards platform for taking surveys, with new opportunities to earn every day. Just sign up for KashKick and fill out your profile survey. This takes around 2 minutes and you'll earn $1. Once your profile is complete, see which surveys are available. KashKick tells you exactly how much you could earn and approximately how long it takes to complete each survey. 5. Start a YouTube channel. Got an idea for your own channel? You can create a channel for free and start uploading videos. To monetize, look into the YouTube Partner Program, where you can earn money through ad revenue, YouTube shopping, channel memberships, and more. 6. Become a virtual assistant. Virtual assistants handle different administrative tasks, like managing inboxes, bookkeeping, scheduling, booking travel, transcribing documents, and more. Start looking for open positions on Indeed, ZipRecruiter, or LinkedIn. You can also explore opportunities on freelance marketplaces like Upwork. There are dozens of creative ways to earn money online. Start small, stay consistent, and use trusted platforms like KashKick to explore new ways to make money online. Make your first move today.